maji imekuwa safi. Ingewa nimeifanya ikakuwa poa. Sasa ni hali ya kufunga funiko ikuwe poa fiti. This is the manual to cancel water. We want to do the checking. If it is okay. This is the inlet, the gate valve for the water going to the kitchen, and this is the gate valve of the main water from the city council. This is the meter. So this is the arrow, how it is going. This arrow shows that it points the water is flowing to the kitchen and to the underground tank, and this one going to the main house. So for this one, the meter seems to be running, which means water is flowing to the kitchen or the underground tank. That's okay, it's fine. So this is the outside tap that when you want to confirm the city council water, you open and you see water is coming out, which means there is a line, there is a water from the line of the city council and going straight to the roof tank, and that's how the pipes all runs to the house. So that's the house where there is on top of it there is a tank where the water is flowing to. Alright, so that is it. And now I'm going to the gate to follow the other 5 that was going to the kitchen. Wacha niangalia venye ziko, ndio kama ni kuchora nitachora tu nikiwa kwa nyumba. So to this point there's a junction T. The other line is going to the underground tank and this one going to the kitchen. So this is the small manual for the gate. This is the gate valve that you can close water not going into the kitchen, and is now done. And then this one is where there is a T line, the water fountain that comes from the tank. They mix this here and then goes to the kitchen, so that when the city council line is not there, they can simply open the gate valve so that they get water from the tank. And if there is city council line, they can fortunately close the gate valve. So here is the T junction to the kitchen. And that's the kitchen. Let's go to the tank. This is the line to the tank. The pipes goes through this way, coming like this to the tank. So this is the underground tank. Here is the gate valves that serves. This one is the main line from the city council that allow water into the tank, and then this is the machine that pump water when the city council line is not there. This gate valve, this is the valve that allow water to go into the small house, and then this one that allow water to go into the main house. So this is the pump that will increase the pressure in case of the city council line not there. And this is the main tank that drain water, that receive water from the city council line, and that's all how it is. As the surface area of the tank is quite big. And this is the main house. That's how it all look like. So I need to do a plumbing work for the main house from top to down, and that is it.